How to turn on and off subtitles in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can turn on and off subtitle setting in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. So the first thing to do is to open up the Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game and wait until you reach the main menu. Or you can also pause the gameplay if you are inside the game already playing. Now, go ahead and look for the Options tab and click on it. Inside Options, you will see the Subtitles option. To turn off the subtitle, just uncheck the circle right next to Subtitle. Once you do that, you'll be able to switch off the subtitle setting in the game. If you ever want to turn it on again, make sure the circle is checked and you'll be able to display the subtitle, how it looks on the right corner over here. So there you have it. That's it. That's how you know how you can turn on and off the subtitle setting in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.